On screen, where do Western European country names come from? Visual, Western Europe map zoom plus flags grid. Have you ever wondered what a country name really means? In Western Europe, many names come from peoples, geography, and older language labels. Today we will explain 9 country names in one simple video. On screen, today's list, visual, list animation plus map pins. Our list is France, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland, Austria, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein, and Monaco. Quick note, name origins can be debated. When needed, we share one widely cited explanation and keep the tone neutral. On screen, endonym versus exonym, visual, local name versus outside name. One helpful idea, an endonym is the local name. An exonym is the name used by other languages. Western Europe has famous examples, especially with Germany. On screen, France, visual, France highlight plus flag overlay. Why is France called France? One widely cited explanation links the name to the Franks, a historic people in the region. Over time, the people name became the country name. Simple and memorable. On screen, Germany, visual, Germany highlight plus Deutschland text. Germany is a classic exonym story. Germans say Deutschland. English says Germany. One widely cited explanation is that Germany comes from older Latin usage like Germania. So the local name and the outside name follow different histories. On screen, Netherlands, visual, Netherlands highlight plus lowland coastline imagery. The Netherlands has a very descriptive structure. Nether means lower, and lands means lands. So it is often understood as the lowlands. A geography-based name in plain language. On screen, Belgium, visual, Belgium highlight plus flag overlay. Belgium is widely linked to the Belgi, a historic group mentioned in ancient sources. A people label became a regional label. Then it became the modern country name. On screen, Switzerland, visual, Switzerland highlight plus Alps imagery plus flag overlay. Switzerland is often linked to the canton of Schwyz. One widely cited explanation is that the country name spread from that place name. Over time, Swiss became the common identity label used internationally. On screen, Austria, visual, Austria highlight plus Ostarki text. Austria has a well-known older form. One widely cited explanation connects it to Ostarki, meaning Eastern Realm. So Austria is often explained as an eastern border or realm name in medieval usage. On screen, Luxembourg, visual, Luxembourg highlight plus castle imagery. Luxembourg is often linked to an old phrase meaning little fortress or little castle. One widely cited explanation traces it to early medieval place names around a fort. A small place name that became a country name. On screen, Liechtenstein, visual, Liechtenstein highlight plus alpine village. Liechtenstein is closely tied to a ruling family name. One widely cited explanation is that the principality took the name of the House of Liechtenstein. So here, a family name becomes a country name. On screen, Monaco, visual, Monaco highlight plus coast plus flag overlay. Monaco is small, but the name has deep roots. One widely cited explanation links it to older Greek and Latin place names used for the area. Over time, that place name became the modern country name. On screen, what these names have in common, visual, icons, people/geography/local labels. Now let's step back. These names show 3 simple patterns. People names become country names. Geography creates descriptive names. And older local labels spread into international usage. On screen, quick quiz, visual, quiz cards. Quick quiz. Which name literally means low lands? The Netherlands. Which country has a famous local name Deutschland? Germany. If you got both, you are learning fast. On screen, closing, visual, flags montage plus map zoom out. Country names are short history lessons. They carry identity, geography, and memory. If you want more, tell me the next region to cover. That's the story behind the names.